Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. Welcome to Fits the Fit. No one asked for this video except I'm lying because plot twist. Everyone's been asking for years that I stop dressing tight and I start dressing right. I ordered $1,000 worth of clothes in my size. You know what's also right for me in this very moment? Vitamins. These babies right here. Life takes consistency to build a new habit. Just like me having a new attitude, finding clothes that actually fit me, I've built a habitual routine, taking my compostable vitamin packs day in and out. All thanks to Care of. And also thanks for sponsoring this portion of our haul. You will not believe what I found for our apple bodies. I've been riding my fish oils, rhodiolas, astaxanthins, multivitamins for months now. It's hard to explain how it's helped my focus and my mental clarity because I took a personalized quiz and I made sure to bring attention to the brain fog I was experiencing every day. I love how in-depth but easy the quiz is to take. They ask really good questions that target things you don't really think about daily but could be affecting you more than you realize. It's just nice having take care of areas that need a little more attention that I was clearly lacking in. It's never too late to care for your body, and little acts such as taking your vitamins or treating yourself to buying clothes that don't squeeze out or need your jelly rolls. Small acts go a long way. So use code FAY for 50% off your first order after you take a personalized quiz to see what you need and what you want. What I need right now is for these clothes to fit, so let's go. Oh, you thought I was kidding when I said I bought $1,000 worth of clothes that fit me? Okay, so the first piece is this turtleneck that's oversized, it's cropped in the front, and then it's loose at the back. Ignore the fact that I'm wearing these pants with the outfit. It's so cute. It's so like the turtleneck is not stuffy or tight. Think about it. When you have a double chin like me, a triple chin, at this point, normal size turtleneck be squeezing my double chin into gobble gobble mode. We get it's the holidays, but we don't need to become a turkey ourselves. So this turtleneck, I made sure that it's loose and fitting for all girls, all sizes, because I'm sick of turtlenecks being so tight and just pushing up my double chin. No, thank you. You can do that to someone else, but not me. And look how wide these sleeves are. It's also ribbed, loosey-goosey, but at the same time, it gives you shape. When it's cropped, it's like, oh, but then the back. Oh no, honey. Look at the back. It's longer than the front. Come on. Look how cute. Sometimes when you have a bigger chesty vest and you're wearing something oversized, it may not look good, but I think it look good. This one's from my shop, by the way. I just launched it. No one has it yet, so if you go and get it now, do it before it goes out. You should, because it might just sell out. Here's the next piece. I got this little headpiece because I need to like up my game. It's a little handkerchief and it has like a scrunchie, so you could just like slip it on. Ignore how I like, but it doesn't matter because you can't tell. It just elevates. When I say you are not ready, you are not ready. I've been seeing these dresses go around left and right underneath the booch and all. Word around the block is that baby doll dresses are back. Dresses that start like really high up or underneath the chesty besties, and most of them are actually rompers. I'm gonna need you guys to ignore the situation right here. You know, they're loose and they like to repel each other because they're evil stepsisters. I am calling all apple body paired shaped bitches. Listen, Linda, who knew that a baby doll format on a body shape like mine would work? It's fitted on top and then it flares out right at the waist, or no, this is not my waist, girl. This is your side boob. Right underneath the girl. Balances you out. You don't have to worry about sucking it in. Like, you're free. We are gliding through the hip. And it's making a thick girl feel confident. It's making a thick girl feel like she got shape. I knew for this one I'd be a little bit more hesitant because it is a little bit more poofy. And sometimes a little bit too poofy means a little goofy. But like, why am I now just discovering baby doll dresses? First of all, I would just want to address, I bought this one in a size 8. The girl was struggling a little bit because I was like, okay, if this is an 8, does that mean I'm like in denial? I'm still like a medium when I'm a large. An 8 is perfectly between medium and large in my opinion. Keep in mind how big baby doll flare is gonna be, and so I sized as an 8. Great. In fact, it might be a little bit too big still because like the leg part, I did not want to show you guys this part, but like this is a little is this supposed to look like that? You can't tell, and that's all that matters, right? I'm obsessed with this plaid green. It's just giving like prairie vibes. And the fact that I could live with the idea that I kind of like pregnate, it's fine. The whole point is that it flares right underneath the chesty bestie. Don't have to worry from there on out, like your life problems are solved. You can thrive with your belly out. You don't have to worry about anything pinching your sides, kneading you in 2 bits. Come at me. It's trying. And this lime green that's just very subtle, it just works with the whole look. There's the back. As you can see, there's actually a little zipper right here so you can like adjust and stuff, but you don't really need to when you could just like scoop and loop. If you guys know me, you know that I'm not a huge fan of poof shoulders, but with most baby doll dresses, everything comes poof. Maybe I've been in denial because this is cute. It makes the look. And if you're hesitant, do it for the plot twist. My apple body girls, again, don't sleep on this. Call me problematic. I want you to praise praise me for buying a 10. That's what I am right now, and I bought a 10 in tops as well because that's what I am right now. I need to stray away from getting things too small, right? Because it's too tight. It just protrudes all the snickerdoodles that I've been indulging. So this is a size 10, and it has like this cute little wrap thing that you're like supposed to put over your shoulder. Should I have gotten in a size 8? Like, was I just over determined to buy things my size? The truth is, maybe I'm an in-between. Maybe I'm a 9. The 10 doesn't fit bad, but something about it doesn't look right to me. Maybe I'm just used to wearing things that like choke me. Diagonal cut down here, which I didn't realize it was a thing. Scrunches a little bit on the side, but this thing just slides on and on. It's starting to look like a freaking Girl Scout patch. Is it because my shoulders are too round? This has potential. It could be a very likable top. I'm starting to doubt my determined attitude of buying things that fit me. This were a little tighter. It'd probably fit better on my arms. Putting it out there, I'm laying it all out there. Clearly, it looks perfectly fitted. Maybe I'm just tripping because of this. Am I overthinking this? Does this look cool or does this look like cringe? One thing that was a must I had to do was upsize my jeans. All of my denim are too tiny for me. I did just that. I bought them in a size 10. This pair of dark denim I am excited for. It's supposed to be like oversized, but not like too oversized. But judging by the length of this thing, girl, I'm gonna have myself a situation again. Well, golly, it is so nice to not have to like squeeze my guts out. I am a size 10. For the longest time, I was in this denial, as we all know, of me being an 8, staying as an 8, staying in my tight ass jeans. You're a size 10. If you've struggled with body image, gaining weight, losing weight, fluctuations, all that stuff, you would totally understand why sometimes it's best to just keep squeezing into your jeans versus just buying a new pair that fits, because then it's reality, it's the truth. Solidify the fact that you're a size up, or that could just be a me problem and I'm just spilling my tea. This dark wash denim has this little like loop-de-doop thing right here. These denims definitely mimic a bit of like cargo jeans. They are so freaking wide. Look how long they are. I feel like I'm back in the 90s. Short girl problems, just ignore that. I just want to appreciate how it fits my upper body and it doesn't give me a camel toe. Hey, you've been wondering why you've been having camel toes left and right. Look at you now, free of the camo. Oh my god, it just feels nice. Ooh. Listen, Linda, as I've been sharing more and more of my upper body shape, everyone recommends me to wear peplum. Not to be rude or anything, but I think peplums are so outdated. You cannot pay me enough in chips and Doritos and Ruffles to get me into a peplum. So when I found this shirt, I was like, hey, this kind of looks like a peplum. Sorry, this gives off the idea of a peplum. I'm for and for not, and I'm not and without and don't. I don't like this shirt either. I like and don't like it, okay? Flares out right under the girls again, so you don't have to really worry about your tummy and people can't really like tell or whatever. Chesty besties are really marketing themselves a little too close to home. Like any second now, you know? Maybe if I tape it against myself, this area needs a little bit of help because it just does. I'm not fully convinced in this shirt yet. Maybe if we put on some jeans. You guys know I'm a fan of asymmetrical jeans. So I had to get these light washed ones. I'm just stressing on the knees and it's straight leg. So it shouldn't be as baggy, but we'll see. We are 5 foot, so that's dreaming big. This is interesting. I ordered size 10, but on the tag it says size 12. Even then, it feels like smaller than my other size 10. Not consistent. I don't love it as much as I thought I would. I really thought these were going to be the jeans that I liked more. Definitely like the darker denim more. Still squeezing my girly pops on the side, so I'm a little confused because if it's 12, then why does it fit like it's an 8? The length is not horrible. I can feel my toes. Yeah, the ribs are supposed to be at my freaking knees. It's at my shin. My shin. What the fuck? What about this top? Now that we have pants on, they're like stupid, guys. They're like stupid. It's like a mess. The shirt has to go. Yeah, I think these pants gotta go as well. Won't do it. So I bought another headband. It's just this gray one. This one's supposed to be like over your forehead, so you have no hair peeking through. I want to look like her, but then like I'm not looking like her, so mentality gotta go in the first place. So just get over it. I bought this romper because it mimics the baby doll look. The whole point is to plump the girls and make your stomach disappear by flaring the side. Did we achieve that? Kind of. Not really. It has a nice little hold on my stomach, which I don't mind being held down like that. I really don't like this headband. It's not giving. It's giving big head. Instead of making me look like an upside down triangle, I'm looking hips a little bit. The girls are holding up, which we can appreciate. It's supposed to make me look sexy, and I do feel a little bit like not too hot in this. The whole point of this video is finding something like this. Like you're almost there. You're almost there. But not quite, Faye. You're not delivering. Has a little tie at the back. And I got this in a size 8 as well. So like again, it's confused over here. Not sure what's going on. I like it, but I don't love it. I still feel very wide. I don't feel hidden. Now that I've discovered how it feels like to be in a baby doll dress, all I want is to be hidden. It's still really pretty. I just don't know if it's pretty on me. I'm supposed to be able to let go of my belly and feel change. I just feel stuck. I feel like I should prepare. You know, we're not gonna keep it just because it has potential for when we lose weight, we're gonna return. We're not doing that. Mind game. So this is one of two pieces. Freaking love this dress shirt. So this is supposed to mimic like a man's button-up blouse on you. Blouse? You could dress this up however you want. It has the nice mimic of a corset cinching in your waist. So it is wearable as it is, but you could totally elevate this with this thing. You guys know that for the longest time, I've been trying to figure out how I can wear vests and dress shirts without it eating me up, and I'm still looking like a figure of its own. Like how cute this oatmeal vest is. The color combo is gorgina. You could wear this with the vest long as it is, with the dress shirt peeking underneath. You could play around with the vest and tuck it in so that more of the dress shirt peeks out. It's just so perfect. Body feels secure in this. It just doesn't feel loose and like draining. Such a cute way to just wear your vest. It lines up perfectly with one another right here. And as a mid-sized girly, I just don't feel eaten up. I feel good and alive. I finally feel like I'm a Pinterest girl. Perfect as it is, and underneath a vest like this, just with some stockings and high knee boots or something, delicioso. I just can't stress how frustrating it is to find something baggy on a mid-sized, plus-sized body that just feels good. Baggy in all the right ways. We can even roll up the sleeves. Oh my god, to open us up. Like it took me forever to find that. Holy guacamole. This wins. We found the winner. This is the baby doll dress that you want. And it's a romper. It's not actually a dress. They're pants, you know? Moments like this, I'm just gonna be candid. Thank goodness for some chesty besties. Just give some life. How beautiful this red brown is. I'm choking. Look at the back, it's stretchy, and I also got this in a size 8 because I didn't have to worry about this tummy area. This would have made me a 10 right here. Everything else, 8. The length is perfect. An average height girly, like if you're a 5'5", this would be like super short, which is very cute. It's supposed to be worn like that. For me, this is the perfect length. It's not too short for me, I don't think so. As you can see, the seams literally end right underneath the tatas. Your stomach, apple body girls, you will never feel so liberated. I feel so seen in this dress. Normal me would never go for anything like this because I would have thought, oh, it's too poofy for my poofy body. What? Poofy plus poofy does not equal slim. It doesn't matter if I look slim Jim in this. All I know is that it gives me shape. It doesn't like emphasize my stomach. At least with this on, girl, guess how my body looks underneath. It doesn't matter. And then the cool part is that it has a square neck on me, and you guys know how I just discovered how square necks are perfect for broad shoulder girls. I look slim on top. This is my stomach, but I don't care. A little longer at the back, so like it covers up the no booty. You don't have issues with that, so it doesn't matter. I feel like I'm on runway. Oh, this is it. You have to get this one. This is what real satisfaction looks like. Let's talk about these jeans. Size 10. It is really long, like a ridiculous. This is what happens when you're short. That doesn't matter. The waist fit does not pinch me. Nice and fresh. My legs have room. My waist has room. Paired up with this crop turtleneck that's not so crop, which is nice because on my short torso, you're gonna need that. I know I was saying earlier how like, oh, I love the white turtleneck. It doesn't like squeeze my double chin. This one is just perfectly cuffed on my neck. It's comfortable. It's snug. It feels really like nice and knit. It has this cute gray navy contrast blend. Breaded nuts. Has a little fuzz to it, but not too fuzzy where you're gonna look like extra petable. Like, look at this. Look at the sleeves. This navy gray blend. Gorgina. Look how it has this ribbing effortlessly. You can't even tell that it's doing voodoo on the eye. And my chesty bestie look good. They don't look suffocated because of this ribbing situation. The knotting knit garlic bread twist. Okay, it's on my shop. Get it? I have the best fall pieces and people are sleeping on it. What are you doing? I must say, instead of spending your money on Princess Polly, I know I'm like hauling their things. Support a small business. We're the ones doing all the work, picking out all the pieces. They're delicious. Oh my god, what is happening? How does she look like that and I'm looking like this? It's like black and white, day and night. Okay, I got this in a size 8, which honestly, I could have gone with a 6. Call me crazy. I kind of want to wear this off the shoulder because wearing it too proper may make me like a little conservative, but I can't even do that because it's so baggy on the tata. I just look like I belong in the kitchen. I thought this would do something for me because it has like this nice little cinching moment. I love this kind of acknowledgement, except I look like a stuffed swan. Heck, all I need is an apron, and it's so long on me. You know what I mean by like length? It's half of me. It's down to my knee. It's so much down here. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Oh, this one's the worst one yet. I don't know how she sold me on this, but she sold me on this. And suddenly I'm the criminal and I deserve jail time in this dress. Yes, I do. I didn't think I'll like this one as much, but I do. It does have a little bit of that balloon baby doll dress look, but then it's just more of a free will romper, if you must. I like the little faux knots on the shoulder, which you can't undo. Tatas are struggling a little bit in this top, so it is important to have the shoulders secure in place because it is so wide apart, shoulder to shoulder. I kind of feel like the straps are gonna like roll off any moment now. Let's just say it'll roll off if Karma wants it to. That would not be pretty. Like the length of this, it's pretty short, so imagine you being like 5'5", it'll be really short. It's not feeling too restricting or like I have to suck it in. Like I could just be. However, we do see a little camel toe right enough. I don't know what it is. It like fits, but it feels small. This is a size 8, by the way. And I'm only saying that because of the front onion riding that camel toe. What about the back? Does it look like I have a wedgie? Ooh, and it has a zipper on the side just to help you get in if you need the extra help. It is very basic, so I don't know if you want to spend an extra buck or two just for this thing. The handkerchief is giving with this outfit. I'm very neutral with this myself. I put on this little white tee moment because I have this khaki skirt. There are so many of these to choose from, but I chose this one specifically because, let me show you. First of all, it fits nicely. Okay, we look a little fobby here. We do. Don't lie. And cinch on the side. You can tighten it as much as you want because it literally, I mean, at least up to the pocket. Look how cute this is. It's a little loose on the tummy. You do see the belly, but it's not as bad as it would be if I had gotten an 8. Cut me some slack. Hold on, I bought some boots. Oh yes, I did, sister. I'm hoping these fit me because I think I got a size 6 and normally I'm a 5.5. It has this like faux snake skin, not really, and has this really high platform thicker, so it's gonna save me from some of that weight I carry. Want a thick one. I love the like cream beige color as well. I don't really have like square-toed booties, so this is perfect. I love this skirt. It's ugly, but that's why I love it. I've been dying to get gray cargos. Way too long. Everything's just too. I love this color. It's very taupey gray. So yummy. The waist looks really good actually. It kind of gives like this sexy look. I don't know what it is, but maybe because my stomach's showing a little and it's not too high. I had to put the belly button again. It's just so long. I need a personal tailor, aka my scissors. And we all know how cargos actually flatter thicker girls way more than we give credit to. Thick girls, mid-sized girls, thigh girls, where are you at? Get yourself a good pair of cargos. It's nice and stretchy at the back, just nice and proper and classy. This girl came in and she did not want to play. She's professional. She's here to do her job and she's doing it. Thank you. And then last but not least, actually we have one more thing after this, but I finally bought overalls. For the longest time I wanted overalls. I never found ones that fit me, so here goes nothing. I actually got the cargos and these overalls from Tilly's. I was gonna buy the really expensive Free People overalls, but like, let's be honest, come on. This is what we want. We want the waist to fit us. Now let's button her up. Is this not cute or what? I just don't want to look too funny. I made sure to get the wide-legged overalls so it's a little bit more baggy and cute. It has that effortless cargo aspiration. Length is a little tricky, but I'll make do. This part in particular makes the overall for me. Doesn't make me look too wide. This could be sexy, yeah, no. I never liked an overall before. Buying clothes that fit me. Look at the things it does. Okay, last but not least in this $1,000 haul. It's not ridiculous. I've been dying to get shoes like this because everyone has them. It'd be perfect for my vest outfit. Oh man, they're a little big. Yeah, my feet's too tiny, but they're cute. Yep, we're returning these. I've been really wanting to wear these shoes with like oversized knee warmers, leg warmers. Isn't it funny because my mom used to wear these? I used to make fun of her because they're so like lame. Now it's so stylish. Oh, how the times changed, honey. Anyway, that wraps up our haul. I'm so happy I bought things in my size and or accordingly, especially my denim and my overall. At least they feel a little loose on me and I feel like I lost weight or something, you know? I mean, there's that. Make sure you shop That's Our Shop as well because of all the new fall launches. Like this video because we finally found fits that fit. I am so proud of myself. I've come a long way and you did too, so be proud of yourself. All it took was getting rid of all those evil devils in your closet. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok because we're going to be styling these clothes for our mid-sized apple body shaped girls.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.